G'day, my name's Gary. Welcome to my park. Most of our car parks within the Great Otway National Parks are conveniently placed, and the access tracks are well formed with about 15 to 25 minutes walk time to most of the falls. While you're walking through to the rainforest areas, you're walking through the southern temperate rainforest, dominated mostly by mountain ash, which are one of the tallest flowering plants in the world, and also the myrtle beech, which are a very ancient plant found in the southern temperate rainforest. The Otway Ranges is one of the wettest places in Victoria. We get over 2 metres of rain in the Wailangta area. That's near Triplet Falls. This water creates many different streams in the Otways with animals like platypus, spiny crayfish, and in the lower reaches a very rare animal, the Tasmanian mudgill axon. Our rainforest areas are at their best during winter. They're lush and green, the streams are flowing, it's just brilliant. There are many different waterfalls within the Great Otway National Park. They're all unique and they're definitely worth exploring. Hope you enjoy my park.